What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can follow someone on the Phantom wallet. Also, before we get started, if you want to grab a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency by creating an account on Trading212, I will leave the sign up link in the description below. And now let's get started. Now, Phantom recently rolled out usernames, and after usernames, they rolled out a follow feature. So from now, you can actually follow someone on the Phantom wallet. And this is how you follow someone. So first off, once you open up your Phantom wallet, you would need to go to this search bar right here. Now, in this search bar, you would need to input the exact username of the person that you want to follow. So for this example, let's just type in my Phantom wallet username. And there we go. Now, once I inputted my username, my Phantom profile popped up right here. Now, as you can see, it doesn't really matter if you use uppercase or lowercase letters, it will recognize it nevertheless. So once you found the Phantom profile that you want to follow, you can just click on it and click follow right here. Now, because this is my profile, I can't follow myself, but your option should say follow right here. Now you just go ahead and click follow, and you will be following that person on the Phantom wallet. So that's guys how you can follow someone on the Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.